Alright, today we're replacing one of the belts of the car. It'll be this one right here. Alright, so to start, I would like to take this apart. This is just the intake. Just, get it out of the way to give me more access. And another thing you'd like to inspect is the actual belt. To know how tight you want it, just twist this right here, and you see how it comes up, I want to say that's the most it comes up, so you want to make sure when you tighten it with the new one, it's going to be that tight where you could only twist that much. And just make sure you got your tools on standby. This belt is a good brand. Last 90,000 miles. As you can see here, I already took it off. Now I have good access to this. And if I need to come down the bottom, I could. Alright, so here I'm gonna use a socket to loosen this up. And let's loosen it up a little bit. Alright. Just want it loose enough to take the belt out. You don't really need to take it all off, like the screw. Just inspect. So keep on doing that till you could take it off, pretty much. Alright, so we loosened it, and now just to show you, we can twist it so much more now. So this can come off technically right now, but I should have loosened it just a little bit more. And I will go down there and loosen it more because it'll be harder to put the new one in if it's that tight.